Hi there, and welcome to Easy Tech Steps. Today I'm going to show you how to turn dark mode on or off in Windows 11. Whether you prefer a sleek dark interface for your workspace or want to switch back to the classic light look. First, you'll need to open the Settings menu. To do that, click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen and look for the gear-shaped icon labeled Settings. If you prefer shortcuts, press Windows I on your keyboard to jump straight into the Settings menu. Once you're in Settings, look at the left-hand menu and click on Personalization. This section controls everything about how your Windows desktop looks, including themes, backgrounds, and of course, dark mode. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see an option called Colors. Go ahead and click on that. Inside the Colors menu, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Choose Your Mode. This is where you control dark mode. If it's currently set to light, click on the drop-down and select Dark. Instantly, you'll notice that the Windows interface changes to a darker color scheme, including your taskbar, menus, and system apps. If you want something in between, there's also an option called Custom. Choosing Custom lets you mix and match light and dark modes. Now, let's say you want to switch back to light mode. It's just as easy. Head back to the same Colors menu, click the drop-down, and choose Light. Everything will return to the default bright look you're used to. And there you have it. Turning dark mode on or off in Windows 11 is as simple as a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Easy Tech Steps for more tips and tricks. Have questions or suggestions for future videos? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.